So now question number 9. The distance time graph shows information about Kai's journey from home to office. So this is the distance time graph. I will drop a line from here where the office is showing. This is 65 and the time, this is from 10 to 11 1 hour and 11 to 12 2 hours. So you have to calculate the average speed in kilometer per hour. So average speed is equals to total distance upon total time. Total distance is 65. Total time is 2 hours. When you divide, you will get 32.5. 32.5 kilometer per hour is my answer. Now when Kai arrives at the office, he finds his meeting is cancelled. He immediately returns home at a constant speed of 50 km per hour. Complete the distance time graph to show his journey home. So we know speed is equals to distance upon time. Therefore, time is equals to what? Distance upon speed. Distance, we know from home to office it is 65. It is given in this diagram. Then speed is given as 50 km per hour. So we divided it by 50. When you divide 65 by 50, you will get 1.3 hour. So this can be written as 1 hour plus 0.3 hour. So change 0.3 hour into minute. So multiply it by 60. So your answer is 1 hour 48 minutes. So on this graph you have to find, so it is given as 1 hour 45 minutes. So after 12, at 12 he reaches office. So after that he takes 1 more hour. So that means 12 to 13. That is 1. And then this is 13:30. So you know this is 13:30. That means 18 will be where? 18 will be where? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3. That means one small box is equals to 3 minutes. That means 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 3 6 are 18. That means this is 13, 18. This point. This point is 13, 18. Okay. So now I'll draw a line from here till there. Again I will draw it. Take the scale to draw this line accurately. So this is the way back home. Okay. One thing I did wrong here, multiplication. Sorry, need to correct this. 3 6 are 18. So 1 hour 18 minutes. So that is why it is 18. Now coming to question number 10. Without using calculator you have to solve this. It's very easy. Change the mixed number first. 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 11 is equals to 71 upon 12. 4 2s are 8. 1 9 upon 4. So make the denominator same. Multiply 4 by 3. So 9 is also multiplied by 3. So it is 71 plus 9 3s are 27 upon 12, which will give me 98 upon 12. Then 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, which is 49 upon 6. 6 8s are 48, 1 whole number, 8 whole number, 1 upon 6 is the answer. Now, this is a Venn diagram. Universal set is given, P is given, Q is given. You have to complete the Venn diagram. First of all, sort which are the common elements in P and Q. So, E is there, G is there, and R is there. So the common elements is always written in the middle, showing the intersection E, G, R, and then what are the elements left in P? A, B, L, and the elements left in Q, M, O, T, Y. So now this question number 11 part A is completed. Now shade the region A intersection A complement intersection of B. So what is A complement? A complement is such that nothing of A is there and its intersection with B. So that means only this portion you will take, because the intersection portion of B is not taken because it is also coming in A, and we cannot take A because it is A complement. Now the position vector of A is 5, 3 and B is given as 4 and 8. So show that OB is equals to 5.1 correct to 1 decimal place. We know this is O to A and this is O to B and this is B to A. So I can write BA as OA minus OB. Okay. So BA is what? 4, 8. OA is what? 5, 3. And OB we have to find out. So OB is equals to what? 5, 3 minus 4 and 8. So it is 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 8 is minus of 5. So what is OB? What is OB? It is under root of 1 square plus minus 5 whole square, which will give you under root of 1 plus 25. That means under root of 26, which will give me 5.1. Calculate under root of 42 plus 3 to the power 0.4 using my calculator. I will write under root of 42 plus 3 to the power 0.4 is equals to what? 8.03. This is the answer. Write 0.5818181 as a fraction. You must show all your working and give your answer in its simplest form. So let x is equals to 0.581818181 is being repeated, recurring decimal number. So now what is 100x multiplied by 100? So it is 58.1818181. It will go on like this. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1 will give me what? 100x is equals to 58.181818, and x is equals to 0.581818. When you subtract these, you will get 99. X is equals to everything here 0 0 0 0 0, and then it is 11 minus 5 gives me 6. Here remains 7. This is 57. So x is equals to 57.6 upon 99, which can be written as 576 upon 990. When you remove the decimal, 1 0 will increase in the denominator. Now cancel it by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Now by the table of 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45, 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18. So my answer is 32 upon 55. Question number 15. The number of trees in a forest is decreasing exponentially at a rate of 1.75% per year. 11 years ago, there were 980 trees. Calculate the number of trees in the forest now. Give your answers correct to the nearest integer. I can use the same formula in the compound interest formula. A is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power n. But here, since it is decreasing, in place of 1 plus R, I will use 1 minus R. A is equals to P 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power n. The number of trees in a forest is decreasing exponentially at a rate of 1.575% per year. 11 years ago, there were 980 trees. So, principal, what was the trees? It was 980. 1 minus rate is 1.75 upon 100 and time is 11. So, what I will do, I'll put this in my calculator. So my answer will be 807.02. So you have give your answer correct to the nearest integer. So it is 807. The volume of a cylinder is 1970 centimeter cube. The height of the cylinder is 12.8 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the cylinder. What is the volume of the cylinder? Formula is pi r square h. Putting the values, 1970 is equals to pi. R we have to calculate. H is given as 12.8. That means r square is equals to 1970 upon pi into 12.8. When you put this in your calculator, that means 1970 divided by 12.8, and then again it is divided by pi. It will give me 48.9899. I will take this much. So R is what? Under root of this thing, 48.9899. So now under root of 48.9899 gives me 6.999. Calculate the value of the radius, which can be written as around 7 centimeter. Okay. Now rearrange the formula to make m the subject. So first multiply r and m is equals to 2m minus 2k. Now take here we have to make m as the subject. So take 2k to this side and rm to that side, rm minus rm. Now taking m as common, so it is 2 minus r and this is 2k. So it implies m is equals to what? 2k upon 2 minus r, my answer. So this is 2k upon 2 minus r. Now y is inversely proportional to the cube root of x plus 5. Now when x is equals to 3, y is equals to 12, it implies when we remove the proportionality sign, we increase a constant of proportionality. Here it is k upon cube root of x plus 5. Achha, given x is equals to 3, y is equals to 12. So put the values to find the value of k. Cube root, what is the value of x? 3 plus 5. So it implies 12 is equals to k upon 3 plus 5 is 8. Cube root of 8. What is the cube root of 8? It is 2. It implies 12 is equals to k upon 2. It implies k is equal to 12 into 2 gives me 24. The value of k comes out as 24. So y is equals to 24 upon cube root of x plus 5 by putting the value of k in the equation, this equation. Put the value of k to get this equation. Now They are asking us find y when x is equals to 22. So y is equals to 24 upon cube root x, put the value of x, 22 plus 5. So it is 24 upon cube root of 22 plus 5 is 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. So that means 3 ones are 3 eights are. Your answer is 8. Solve the equation x square plus 5x minus 7 is equals to 0. You must do all your working and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So using Sridharacharya's method, x is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here from this equation, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to minus 7. Comparing this equation to the general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. From using this general equation, we get the values of a, b and c. Now putting the values, minus 5 plus minus under root of minus 5 under root of 5 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 7. So I put it in the bracket upon 2 into 1. So x is what? Minus 5 plus minus under root 25 plus 28 upon 2. So this is minus 5 plus minus under root of 53 upon 2. So minus 5 plus minus under root of 53 will give me 7.28 upon 2. So the two values of x are either with minus 5 and with minus and with plus. So minus 5 plus 7.28 upon 2, or it is minus 5 minus 7.28 upon 2. So from this I will get the value as 1.14 and from this I will get the value minus 6.14. So I will write my answer 1.14 and minus 6.14. fx is equals to 6x minus 7, gx is equals to x to the power of minus 3. Find fx plus 2. F of x plus 2. So put in this. So 6 in place of x, x plus 2 minus of 7. So 6x plus 12 minus 7. So my answer is 6x plus 5. Find f inverse of y. Let y is equals to 6x minus 7. Now switch the variables. So x is equals to 6y minus 7. So it implies y is equals to x plus 7 upon 6. Y is what? It implies f inverse of x is equals to x plus 7 upon 6. When find x when gx is equals to f of 22. Gx, what is the value for gx is given? It is x to the power of minus 3. X to the power of minus 3 is equals to f of 22. What we will write? F of 22. Fx is equals to 6x minus 7. So that means 6 of 22 minus 7. So 6 into 22 will give me 132 minus 7, which will give me 125. This is the value of x to the power of minus 3. To make x to the power of minus 3 positive, I will do the reciprocal of this. Then it will become 1 upon x to the power of 3. It is equals to 125. That means x to the power of 3 is 1 over 125. It means x is equals to cube root of 1 over 125, which is 1 upon 5. Answer. Simplify. 2x square plus 5x minus 12 upon 4x square minus 9. Okay. So comparing it to the general form of the equation ax square plus bx plus c. So when this type of equation is given and a has some value other than 1, how you will be doing? You have to find the multiplication of a into c. What here it is, a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to minus 12. So a into c is 24 and the product of the two numbers should be 24. we have to find two numbers whose product is 24, and when we subtract those numbers, here it is minus, so that means when we subtract those two numbers, we will get 5. So what are the two numbers? 8 and 3. When we subtract 8 and 3, we will get 5, and when we multiply 8 and 3, it is 24. So my answer is 2x square plus 5x can be written as 8x minus 3x minus 12 upon 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, and 9 can be written as 3 whole square. So it is 2x can be taken out as common. So in bracket it is x plus 4, and from here 3 is taken as common, and here it is x plus 4 inside the bracket. 2x square minus 2x whole square minus 3 whole square. We know a square minus b square is what? A minus b, a plus b. This is the formula. So I can write this as 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 3. So taking common bracket as ones and the other one inside the bracket, 2x minus 3 upon 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 3. 2x minus 3 is cancelling out. So x plus 4 upon 2x plus 3 is my answer. 2x plus 3. Now these are the first 4 terms of a sequence. The nth term of this sequence is 1 upon 4 n cube plus an square plus bn. Calculate the value of a and the value of b. Okay, so this is the nth term of the sequence, putting and given first term, second term of the sequence, here it is given. So at n is equals to 1, when we put the value of n as 1, we will get the first term. So here it will, when we will put in place of n1, it will be 1 upon 4 plus a plus b, and first term is given as 2.75 is equals to 1 upon 4 plus a plus b. It implies a plus b is what? 2.75 and minus 1 upon 4, which will give me the value 2.5. This is my equation number 1. Similarly, at n is equals to 2, we will get the second term. So that means at place of n, we will write 2. So 1 upon 4, 2 cube plus a 2 square plus b into 2. Second term is given as 6. That means this is 8 upon 4. This is 4a plus 2b. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That means it implies 4a plus 2b is 6 minus 2, which is 4. Taking 2 as common, so here it is 2a plus b is equals to 4. That means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 is cancelling out. It implies 2a plus b is equals to 2. This is my second equation. Now what I can do here, I can subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So I will write a plus b is equals to 2.5 and 2a plus b is equals to 2, and then I am subtracting it. b will cancel out. Here it is minus a is equals to 0.5. It implies a is equals to 0.5. The value of a is minus of 0.5. From equation 1, b is equals to what? 2.5 minus a. That means 2.5 minus 0.5. So the value of b is 2.5 plus 0.5, which will give me 3. Answer. Now, a train travels between two stations. The distance between the stations is 220 km. Correct to the nearest kilometers. The speed of the train is 125 km. Correct to the nearest kilometer. Nearest kilometer means 1 upon 2 will give me the bound 0.5. The speed of the train is 125 km per hour. Nearest to the correct to the nearest 5 km per hour. So that means 5 upon 2, which is 2.5 is the bound for the speed. Calculate the upper bound for the time the journey takes. Give your answer in hours and minutes. So speed is equals to distance upon time. It implies time is equals to distance upon speed. Okay, when I have to take the upper bound of time, so I will take upper bound of distance but lower bound of speed. This is the formula. So coming to this, time is equals to what? What will be the upper bound of the distance? Distance is equals to 220 kilometer. What will be the upper bound? We will add 0.5 in this. So I will get 220.05 kilometer. And for speed, we have to take the lower bound. The speed is 125. So we will subtract minus 2.5 from this. So I will get 122.5 kilometer per hour is the lower bound of the speed. Lower bound, and this is the upper bound. So I will take here 220.05 divided by 122.5. So when we divide this, I will get 1.8 hours. So it can be written as 1 hour plus 0.8 hour, 1 hour, and change 0.8 hours into minute by multiplying by 60. So 1 hour plus 8 6 are 48. So that means 1 hour 48 minutes is my answer. So this is the last question of this paper, and we have solved this. I hope you all have understood this. Thank you.